Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a door visor. First, gather your essential tools: a heat gun or hairdryer, a plastic pry tool, rubbing alcohol, and a clean microfiber cloth. Make sure your new door visor is the correct model and size for your vehicle. Always work in a well-ventilated area and consider wearing safety gear like gloves and eye protection for a safe and smooth replacement process. Now, let's remove the old visor. Gently apply heat to the adhesive strips using your heat gun or hairdryer. This softens the bond. Carefully use a plastic pry tool to lift the old visor away from the door frame, starting from one end and working your way across. Once removed, thoroughly clean any leftover adhesive residue from the door frame with rubbing alcohol and a clean microfiber cloth, ensuring a pristine surface for the new installation. Next, we install the new visor. Before peeling any backing, test fit the new visor to confirm perfect alignment with your door frame. Once satisfied, peel off just a small section of the adhesive backing from one end. Press that section firmly onto the door frame, then gradually remove the remaining backing as you continue to press the visor along its entire length. Apply consistent, firm pressure for at least 30 seconds to ensure a strong, lasting bond. Finally, some important tips for longevity. Allow the adhesive to cure completely for at least 24 hours before washing your vehicle or driving at high speeds. It's crucial to avoid touching the adhesive surface during installation to maintain its integrity. For the best possible adhesion, ensure the ambient temperature is above 60 degrees Fahrenheit or 16 degrees Celsius during the entire installation process. This helps the adhesive bond properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.